Hello and welcome to the Math for Fun, and in this video I'm going to show you how do you add and subtract integers. How do we do that? Let us start from a point that any two numbers, if they are opposite to each other, if you add them, they will be equal to 0. What do I mean? Like if you have plus 6 and minus 6, their answer is going to be 0. Minus 7 plus 7, they are going to be equal to 0. All numbers that are the same but they have opposite signs, if you add them together, they will be equal to 0. Remember this. Now let's look at minus 12 plus 7. How to do that? We try to get minus 7 from the minus 12 to cancel it with the plus 7. How do we do this? We split minus 12 into minus 5 and minus 7. So minus 5 and minus 7, both together, they will give me minus 12. And here I have plus 7. So minus 7 and plus 7, they will give us 0. So the answer is going to be equal to negative 5. Let's do another example. Let's do that one. Here we have 3 plus 4. Remember, if there's no sign, which means that it is plus. So we have plus 3 and plus 4. If we have both numbers with the same sign, just add and put the sign that they have. So 3 plus 4, which is equal to plus 7, and that's it. Let's look at that. Also here, both numbers have the same sign. Here we have minus 1 plus minus 46. If you want to add them, since they have both the same sign, so we can write is equal to minus, and we add 1 and 46. 1 and 46 is 47, and the answer is going to be minus 47. Minus 34 plus 50. They have different signs. So what do we do? So we look, which one is bigger, 34 or 50? 50 is bigger. So we have to take 34 from the 50. So we write plus 34 plus what to get 50? We say plus 16. Here we write minus 34. Now minus 34 and plus 34 is going to be equal to 0. So the answer is going to be plus 16. Do you like it? Here we need to find the difference. To find the difference, I advise you remove the parentheses and make those two signs one sign. How do we do that? We can use the multiplication rule. So we have 2, and now we say minus times minus, which is plus, and we write 2 here. Or you can say the opposite of minus 2 is plus 2, and that would be also easy. So now we add 2 plus 2, you get 4, and that's it. Let's look at that. 11 minus 4, I think this is easy for you. You can say it's equal, 11 minus 4 is 7. Here we have 18 minus 41. So we keep the 18 and we write minus. Now we've split the 41 because it's bigger than 18 into two numbers. One of them is 18 and the other one is, what will make 18 41? Another number, which is 23. If you don't know, you can subtract 41 minus 18, you get 23. And remember, here we have minus 41, so split it into two numbers, minus 18 and minus 23. Now the 18 and the minus 18 will make up to 0, and here we have minus 23 as an answer. Let's do some more practice. Here we have minus 10 minus 47, so we can remove the parentheses, so we have minus 10 minus 47. Since they are both in negative, so we can add them and we keep the negative sign. So minus 10 minus 47, which is minus 57. Let's look at that. Here we have 13 plus of minus 29. So we say 13, and here plus times minus is minus, and here we have 29. Now we need to get 13 from the 29. Take 13 from the 29, you get 13, and you get 16. So 13 and 16 is 29, but since it is minus, so we write them both in minus. And then 13 minus 13 is equal to 0, and the final answer is going to be minus 16. Here we have three numbers together. We have 2 plus 15 plus 4, since they are all positive numbers, so we can add them together and put them in positive. So 2 plus 15 is 17, plus 4, which is 21. So the answer is plus 21. If we write plus, that's fine. If we write it without plus sign, that's also an accepted answer. Here we have 2 minus of minus 9 minus 8. What to do? We can do it in pairs. What do I mean? Now here 2 we drop it. Now minus of minus 9 is plus 9. And as we did it before, we can say the opposite of minus 9 is plus 9. And here we have minus 8. We do the first two numbers, 2 plus 9, which is 11. And here we have minus 8. And then we do the other one, which is 11 minus 8, which is 3. And that would be the final answer. And here I can say that we reached the end of the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share. And welcome to Math for Fun. Bye for now.